Hello friends, welcome to Mechanical Engineering online classes. Today's lecture will be delivered by Miss Shravanti Sriramoju.
In this video, we will learn what are the different failure modes of composite materials. Now, failure modes are basically classified as macroscopic failure and microscopic failure. Macroscopic, the term indicates that the overall failure of, when you look at the composite as a whole, there are two types of failures. One is FPF, which is first ply failure. That means the first ply, that is the topmost ply, will fail. And this is the ultimate ply failure. And when you come to microscopic level, there are different types of failures here. The one is the fiber buckling, fiber pull off, matrix cracking, fiber matrix debond. So when we look at all these types of failures in detail, the first type of microscopic failure is by fiber buckling. So when a load, compressive load, is applied on either sides of the composite, fibers will act as long bars and they will bend like this. This is the buckling failure. So initially the fibers are straight like this, but because of the load, they will deform in this way. This is the failure. So when all the fibers are deforming in the same way, then it is called in phase fiber buckling. And when each fiber is buckling in its own way, which is not at all related to the other fiber failures, that means there is no particular pattern in this failure. So such a failure is called out of phase buckling. The next type of microscopic failure is fiber pull out. Here the fibers will be pulled out of the matrix. That means that the bonding will fail, the interface will fail, and fibers will come out of the composite. This is fiber pull out. Coming to fiber cracking. So this is the fiber. Somewhere here the fibers, because of the load, have broken. So that broken fibers will lead to the complete failure of the composite material, and such a failure is called fiber cracking, and it will majorly occur due to shear. And it will also majorly occur due to weak matrix, because matrix was not able to hold the fibers in place, and because of that they'll crack at some portion along their length. And similarly there is matrix cracking. Here the matrix, this is the matrix, these lines are fibers and this portion is matrix, and it has broken at some place. These are the cracks developed in the matrix. So this also will occur due to weak matrix. Coming to the fiber matrix debond, this will mainly occur due to fatigue. So here if you look at the figure, this is the fiber and this is the matrix, and this line is the fiber, and there is no proper bonding between fiber and matrix. They have lost their contact. So that such a failure is called fiber matrix debond.
Thanks for watching. If this video was of help to you, please like it and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.